Alright fellas, just a quick update. Actually, this might not be so quick, and my battery's about to die. But anyways, my trip to go back home, my planned trip to go back home, was a complete and utter disaster. I knew that I would need a COVID test to get back on the plane, but I legitimately thought that the airport would have the COVID test. Even so, I was like, okay, I'll go and get the COVID test. I legitimately also thought that the rapid test would have been sufficient enough. I looked into it, and that's apparently wrong. And you need to, at least 2 days ahead of time, schedule yourself 3 days, maybe a week ahead of time, schedule yourself an appointment to take a COVID test that is going to be pretty much exactly 2 days before you have to go fly home. So I ended up going back to Gamwee's Holmes' house. I have to reschedule my plane trip, and I have to schedule a COVID test. I have to figure out how I'm gonna get money. Now my true test begins of a traveler. I haven't been this way since I was young. Having said that, I also haven't ridden in the back of a pickup truck since I was about 10, 9, 8, 7. I don't even know how young I was. You're not allowed to in America anymore. So this is legit. Having said that, I know my spirit, I know my resolve. It'll work out in the end. The only thing is my best friend Brian's wedding is coming up very soon, and I'm supposed to be in it. So I have to figure this out. Also, my visa is going to expire in 3 days, so I also have to figure that out. With no money. Let the games begin. Okay, just a quick update for my misadventures. I rebooked my plane ticket back home for a week later. I'm currently staying with my girlfriend. They're gracious enough to let me stay with them for a week. The only thing I'm gonna do is get some food. Then I booked a plane ticket back to Bangkok, and I think I'm pretty much all set. I'm gonna help them farming and little things that I have to do around the house. They're not asking me to, but I'm gonna do what I can to help anyways. I ended up having a little bit of extra money than I thought I did, so I was able to figure it out. King. Okay, this is a rare occasion, but Gamwee's on an actual scooter about to start farming. 2 rare occasions in one. You happy puppy. See the tail not wagging. Oh, wagging a little bit. Happy puppy. Okay.
นี่ไปจับจ้ะไม่ได้
This is all I've been waiting for. Scooter. What?
จ้าพอแล้ว Oh my god นั่นนี่ลูกเข็น
I move?
Yeah you
Okay. I have to move a scooter.
โอเคพ่อแรงฟ้าดู
Okay.
แรงฟ้า
Okay. I assume this is farming. Okay. You farming. And I'm gonna video you farming.
มา
You farm all this? Oh. Okay, Koyen. Oh, this is your farm. There's nothing in it.
No beautiful
So your is 1, 2.
6
You have 6 farms.
yeah 6
1, 2, 3. So some of these farms are actually gamwees. That's why I can see there's nothing in it.
อันนี้อองโก
Gamwee, no farming.
farming
Is that rice?
อองโก
That's grass. Grass, right? No, I think that's grass.
right
Oh, this is all rice.
right cat
Did you do this?
yeah
Or did your uncle do it?
อองโก
Oh, your uncle did it for you.
มีมันนี่อองโก
Oh, you gave money to your uncle so he would farm your plat for you. Uh-huh.
Is it home
Uncle home?
no
It is nice out here. Quimac. Yours?
ไม่ดี
Oh, there's grass growing in it.
yeah
No rain. Look at the moon out.
I picture you ให้
I'm not wearing. Okay, hold on. Let me cut the video. Okay, that's it for now. I'll probably film a couple things in a minute.
เพื่อนยังแม่ต่อตอดจับเบิ้งหั่งคนละแพนด้า
These over there.
นี่แม่มัน
These. Yes.
ต่อ
Do. E. Okay. These are bee eggs. Some kind of bee. I don't know what kind of bee this is. Maybe like a hornet. Wait, can we film these? I'm gonna eat. No, Koigen. Okay, who's gonna film me eating one? One of the dead ones. I already had 2 of them, but I realized my family would probably want to see me eat it. They cooked it on a grill, so it's dead. I'm not gonna eat a live one. It really does taste like chicken. Weird, like a gooey chicken. Okay. No, it's not that bad. It's really not. I've had worse things in America. Not bad. There you go, family. That's me eating a bee larva.